Good morning, everyone. So today's video, I'm going to be showing you a little bit of sneak peek on my morning when I go to work. It's actually snowstorm. You know, when I wake up early this morning, I see a lot of snow outside. So there was a snowstorm since yesterday afternoon until now. So I'm going to show you a little bit on how am I going to work driving on a snowstorm and coming back home from work at night when it's still snowy. So early morning, Joey woke up to clean my car and shovel the driveway for me. So I hope you enjoy this video, guys. It's a little winter life here in America, so stick around, everyone. So first thing in the morning is you're gonna shovel your driveway. I wish I can go out there, but it's really cold. Look outside, it's super all white outside and really is snowy. Last night we had probably about 8 inches of snow accumulated. And that's my car. My husband is heating it up right now. Yep, that's how we do every morning when it's snowy here. We have to wake up early before going to work, shovel the driveway so you can get out. If you can see behind the car, that's our driveway. And we need to clean the car, so of course, so you can see the really thick snow accumulated last night. Yep, I wish I can get out there, but it's really cold. So Joey's out there so early to clean my car because I'm gonna go to work today and just warming up the car. And if you can see, there's a lot of snow out there. You need to shovel a little bit. Alright guys, so it's still snowing and I'm heading to work. So my car is nice and clean and our driveway is a little bit of clean. Oh, the snow piles up right away actually. I wish we have a snow blower like our neighbor, but we don't. So yep, this is how it looks like here. It looks kind of pretty white. Looks Christmas, but it's a lot of work. So join me as I drive to work today. All right, let's get in the car. Very ugly, the street. There's a lot of snow. at least I see one snow plow right there on our left. So we can start plowing the street. So we're gonna go in the main street right now, and we'll see how crazy it is. I'm not gonna take chance.
We touch, we break, make it seem like we feel the same. We love what we hate. We lie, but we know we can't water what doesn't grow. Give up, let it go. Well, we fell apart just in time. You say at least it was worth a try. At least it was worth a try. At least it was worth a try. I drive from your place, miss your lips, but I hate the taste. No fun in this game. I will call our bluff, 'cause using bodies isn't good enough. Slow down, this ain't love. Well, we fell apart just in time. It was worth a try. At least it was worth a try. At least it was worth a try. Playing games, can't go separate ways, break up all the same. We keep playing games, can't go separate ways, break up all the same. Well, we fell apart just in time. At least it was worth a try. At least it was worth a try. At least it was worth a try. Hey you, I saw you from the distance. Hey you, can we talk? Hey you, I think you're my subsistence. Hey you, or am I wrong?
Alright guys, so I just got here and it's pretty ugly, the road here, so I'm gonna check if they're gonna shovel later when I go home from work at night. So yep, I'm gonna show you in a little bit how am I gonna, do this, and how is the driving at night, especially when it's a snowstorm like this. So if you're having fun yet watching this video and getting thrilled, make sure to give me a thumbs up already. And thank you guys. I'll be right back.
Sunbeams forming a shadow far afield. We're floating, just carried by levity, sensing a feeling of love through every wing. Delighted to fly on and look what future brings. Let us see if our ways will cross once again when we have lost each other. Yeah, then we will see if you come and fly with me. 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 Forward, slowly feeling the weight of gravity. Innocence, fall into their destiny. We keep on with this goal in our minds. Let's fly on, we'll meet at the edge of paradise. Let us see if our ways will cross once again when we have lost each other. Yeah, then we will see if you come and fly with me. If you come and fly with me. If you come and fly with me. If you come and fly with me.
I was the one to judge. You said you had enough and that you really wanna be with me. What you get is more than what you see. At first you struck me like any other girl that I could find. But when you looked me in the eyes, I knew that this was right. You're a pretty girl with a pretty name, but I'm pretty sure that you're not the same. Feels like you read my mind, and there's more than meets the eye. With you, with you, with you, oh, with you, with you, with you, oh. I was the one to judge. You said you've had enough and that you really wanna be with me. What you get is more than what you see. At first you struck me like any other girl that I could find. But when you looked me in the eyes, I knew that this was right. You're a